This wheel in this gasket. This is the hook pad. Inside the hook pad. Add this padding inside the hook pad. Add 2 meters of padding inside. Add another hook pad. Hook pad. This hook pad is facing upwards. This wheel facing upwards. This groove wheel. Put it in the groove. Make sure to put it in. It is easy to put in. Yes, that's right. Put the gasket in again. After putting the gasket in, ray protector. Protect the rear derailleur. Okay, it's the same here. This side. This screw is very small. Screw. After tightening the screw, use the transmission to change gears. Shift gears. Adjust here. Adjust the screw. Electric sliding open pull type. Adjust this mode. This one below. This screw H. This screw prevents the chain from falling off in the smallest gear. L prevents the chain from falling off in the largest gear. This is the end of the adjustment.